Chapter 13 More Sai Leelas. This is cured Bihamji Patil, Bala Shimpni, Bala Shribhuti, Alandri Swami, Kaka Mahajani, Daswananda Hartwa. The incredible power of Maya. Baba words were only short, pretty deep, full of meaning, the affectionate and well balanced. He was over concerned, never cared of anything. He said, though I have been become fakir, I have no survived, throwing all of cash. I have stayed in one place in the Maya teases me often. Though I forgot myself, I cannot forget her. She always envelopes me. The Maya of Lord teaches God, Brahman, and others. Then what to speak for fakir like me? Those who take refuge in Lord will be freed from her clutches and grief. In such terms, Baba spoke all power of Maya. Lord Krishna said, Udaran Bhagavat at the saint his living forms and see what Baba said were full for devotees. Those who are fortunate and dismissed or vanished take to worship Leelas, say Sai Leelas, I shall take you over seven seas. Believe the words, I shall certainly be free. I do not need preliminary worship either eightfold or 16-fold. I rest in the fields of devotion. Now read the soil, the friend of those who surrender themselves and for the welfare. Bahamaji Patel. One Bahamaji Patel of Narayanagram, Talkada Junar district, Pune, suffered in year 1908 after a severe chronic chest disease which ultimately developed into tuberculosis. He tried all sorts of paths but no efforts. Losing all those in helping who Narayana helped me now. It is well known fact that our successful of don't from God, but when calamity started to take over, we reminded him. So Bhimji now turned to God, according to him. He consulted Nana Savichari, great Papa, in respect, so he wrote a letter to him, giving all details of holiday, asking his opinion. His reply wrote to him. Only one remedy left was that to reconsider Baba Fit, laying the Nana Sahib advice. He made a preparation going steady. He bought steady and taken to masjid placed before Baba. Mr. Nana Sahib were present. Baba pointed out the disease was due to previous evil karma, was not first disposed to interfere. But the patient cried in the spirit, but he was helpless and sought refuge. He was in the last hope, prayed for mercy. Then Baba heartfully said, stay, cast off your anxiety, your sufferings would have come to end. However, our present one may be soon step into masjid, he will be path happiness. The fakir is very kind and he'll cure disease. Protect all with love and kindness. The patient vomited blood every 5 minutes, but there was vomiting presence of Baba. From the time Baba uttered words, Hope Mercy madly took a farewell term. Baba asked him to stay in Mabri house, which is not convenient and healthy place. Baba ordered to obey. While he was staying there, Baba cured him of two dreams. The first thing he saw himself a boy suffering the flogging he received, not resurrected in the Swati poetry lessons before his high class master. Second dream on caused his intense pain and torture by rolling the stones over chest. With the pain that suffered in the dreams, he was cured complete and he went to home often studying grateful in Baba. Unfortunately, Baba did not accept Muslim duties but grateful to faith and devotion. People in the Maharashtra always celebrate Satyanarayana Puja in the homes for month, but it was very Bhimal who started the new Satya Sai Varada Puja instead of Satyanarayana Puja in Sur when he returned to village. I just pray to Sai Baba for my own things. Baba Ganapat Shimpi, another devotee of Baba by name of Baba Ganapat Shimpi, suffered much from the malaria type of malaria. He tried all sorts of medicines, decoctions, but in vain. The fever did not abate Jot. He ran to study Phils on Baba feet. Baba gave me strange receipts. Yes, as I give him a black dog, some morals of rice mixed goats, and from Lakshmi temple. Bala Shimpi did not know how to execute them, but sooner he went to home. He found rice with goats. After mixing together, he bought a mixture near Lakshmi temple, which found the black dog in his tail. He placed the goat's rice before the dog, ate it, and strange to say, Bala get rid of his malaria. Baba Sahib simply of Sri Ram Baba Sahib Gopi suffered one day of dysentery and vomiting. His cupboard was full of patent drugs and medicine, but none of them had any effects. Got very weak on account of homes, and therefore was not able to go masjid for Baba Darshana. Baba then sent him a medicine before. Now take care, you should not purge anymore. And waving as his injection, the vomiting was also stopped. Now to cut the force Baba words, both Mildis took his heels and Booty felt well. On other occasion, he went an attack of cholera. He suffered from the severe thirst. Dr. Pillai had also arrived, but that didn't consult him. He wanted to drink the allied, which Tuskar and Baba prescribed the influence of almonds, walnut, finish, boiled and sugared milk. They should consider the fatal aggravation of disease by the doctor patient. But in implicit obedience of Baba order, the infusion administration strains to say the disease was cured. Alandi Swami. A Swami from Alandi, wishing to take Baba Darshana, came to study. He suffered and severe pain in the ear, which prevented him from getting sleep. He was operated for this, but because the pain was severe, did not know what to do. While he was returning, he came to Baba Ali and Shama, requested Baba something pain. The Swami informed them, Allah Chacha correct, God will do good. The Swami then returned to Pune. After a week, he sent a letter stating the pain has been suffered through swelling was there. And in order to get the swelling room, he went to Burma for operation, but surgeon extended the year said no operation was necessary. Such wonderful effects of Baba. Kaka Mahajani. Another devotee named Kaka Maji suffered once from diarrhea. In order to there is no break in his service to Baba, Kaka kept Tambia put in some corner of masjid, and wherever he go out, the Sai Baba knew everything. Kaka did not inform of his disease, thinking Baba would own cure its own. The construction of payment in front of masjid was permitted by Baba, but the actual work was being begun. Baba did got well, shouted loudly. Everybody ran away, and Kaka was doing the same. Baba caught hold of him, made him sit here. In confusion, was somebody left small bag of groundnuts. Baba took handful of groundnuts, rubbed them in the hands, blew away skins, gave the clean nuts to Kaka, made him to eat, scolding the nuts, making Kaka eat them. Seven Baba eat some. Then, when he back finished, Baba asked him to fetch water. He felt thirsty. Kaka brought the pitcher of water. Then Baba drank some water. Made now your dare has stopped. You may attend to walk payment. In meanwhile, other persons who ran out started to come. Mentioned stuff also joined them. The ground medicines of Dara. According to the current medical opinion, groundnuts are aggravate disease but are not cured. The true medicines other case as Baba words. Data Band of Harda. The gentleman for the name Data Band suffered from stomach aches for 14 years, known as David's relief. The Baba accused disease by sight. He ran to study but felt Baba. Baba looked at him kindly, gave him a blessings. When Baba placed his hands, he got Baba with the blessings. He got relief from that. No trouble about the malady. Towards the end of the chapter, three cases cited the footnotes. Madhav Deshpande suffered from pills. Baba gave him a declination of sound making. This relieved from then to after trouble again recurred. Madhav took such same regular without cancelling. The result was disease aggravated, but later on rescued by Baba Grace. Kaka Majni elder brother Gaurav suffered many years from stomach pain. Hearing the Baba fame and study, requested Baba to cure him. Baba touches his belly and said, God will cure. From the time he was no stomach pain was completely cured. Nana Sahibi Chandra was suffered instant stomach pain. He was restless the whole day and night. Doctor administration syringe, which product has no effect. Then he approached Baba, who told him to eat barfi, a candice mixed with the ghee. The recipe gave him complete relief. All the stories are shown the real medical that cured by various was Baba words, grace and not medicines or dress. Bow to Shri Chai, peace to be all. And scolded those who bought any costly rich articles. He said must not understand this property concerning puppy one stay on the piece of clock of any terminal, and people doubted him unnecessarily costly articles. Women wealth were two main obstacles in the way from the Baba had provided steady two institutions, Dakshina and Radha Krishna many came to him. He demanded Dakshina for them as to go to school. If they stood the same test well, if they should free from attachment of one wealth progress rapid Baba grace and blessing. As quoted the passage from Gita, Upanishad shown the charity, holy place and holy welfare. What is a moral holistic president deity Baba?